Good morning and welcome to Eastern Paris or for our token French here. Bonjour, bienvenue à Paris. So, on the first Wednesday of every month, most town halls up and down France test their air raid sirens so they are prepared in case of an actual emergency. When I first heard this, about a month living into France, and with the war in Ukraine still ongoing, as it is today, it was definitely disconcerting. I was thinking like, oh my god, are the Russians coming? But did some Googling, found out it's a totally normal thing. The UK doesn't make use of any sirens it may have, but here in France, they use them at least once a month. The sirens themselves are a lasting legacy of General de Gaulle. He ordered the current system, and with everyone in France being a Gaullist, they love to keep the tradition. Anyway, here's the sound of the sirens paired with drone footage of Paris. Hope you enjoy. À bientôt. Au revoir. See you soon.